Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got an incredible recipe again for you this week. It's my first dessert on this YouTube channel and I can't wait to share it with you. You're gonna guess what it is? It's none other than some vegan fluffy pancakes. You don't need to wait until pancake day to make pancakes. This is a great recipe for you to make over the weekend and share with your family for breakfast or brunch. It's really quick and easy to make and I'm sure you're gonna have a great time making this with your family or even with your kids. They're really soft, they're really fluffy, and they're really quick and easy to make. And so without further ado, come on, let's get on with the recipe. Click the link in the description box for a full list of ingredients you require to make this recipe. In a large bowl, combine all-purpose flour, corn flour, baking powder, baking soda, sugar and salt, and a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg. Using a whisk or a spoon, mix all the dry ingredients together. Set aside when you're done. In a separate bowl, add your soy milk or any other milk of your choice, oil, and apple cider vinegar. Mix well using a whisk. Once you're done, mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Using a wooden spoon or spatula, fold the mixture gently. Continue doing so until all the ingredients have been mixed well and there are no lumps left in the mixture. Don't overmix your batter as this will prevent your pancakes from rising and becoming fluffy. Let's go make these incredible fluffy pancakes. Now heat up a large pan and brush it with a few drops of oil. Once the pan is heated up, pour approximately 2 scoops of the batter using an ice cream scoop onto the pan. Cover the pan using a lid to ensure even cooking. Don't cover the pancakes completely as this might result in overcooking. Here's a close-up of the pancakes. As you can see, there's some bubbles popping. Continue to cook the pancakes. In more or less than 30 seconds, the pancake should be golden brown from the bottom. If you're going to flip the pancake right now, it's going to create a mess that you probably don't want to clean up. So just wait a couple of minutes until it dries up and all the bubbles pop. Now let's flip the pancake and cook them over for another minute. Look at that color. Incredible, isn't it? Flip on the pancake to check. If they are slightly brown on the other side, remove from the flame. Repeat this step a few more times with all the remaining batter. You should have approximately 6 medium pancakes with this recipe. Should we flip it? Let's go. Makes you hungry, doesn't it? Well, head over to your kitchen now and make some fluffy vegan pancakes. Time for the toppings. Top your pancakes with some icing sugar, as well as some milk and dark chocolate chips. You can add as many chocolate chips as you want. You can also serve it with some caramel or maple syrup. Enjoy! If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I shall see you again with another exciting recipe next week. Bye!